All right, what's good? We're doing another trade session review. I was flat on the day. Today wasn't the best market conditions or price action for taking a trade, so I did stay flat. But coming into the session, we did have this really bullish candle right here, so I did know that there was a range for us to work with on the hourly. So ideally, I wanted to see a pullback into one of these gaps before we took a long back up to extremes. If not that, then there wasn't really any A plus long that I could think of. Obviously, we did get this sweep of Asia lows, which is pretty similar to last Friday. I didn't expect price to trade back down here because we took this low out, a major low, which is a session low, and then we got that move higher. So I'd see this as a protected low or an intermediate low. And at 9:30 we just ripped higher, and I wasn't thinking about shorting any of this because for my system you need that higher time frame tap from some higher time frame area. So if there's a liquidity sweep or a imbalance fill, anything like that, I could short off of that. But we're at all time highs right now, so we're not bouncing off anything. We're in the heavens right here. There's nothing to bounce off of. So I wasn't looking at any shorts, but I did know that there was a 3 minute that printed somewhere in the session if I can find it right here. So I'll mark this out real quick. It is quite small, but it is in fact an inverse fair value gap. Setting up the position, I guess you would put your stop at this high right here. But if that's too steep, maybe you could put it at this high down here, or in this one. But regardless, we're not bouncing off anything up here because there's nothing up here, right? We need that higher time frame key level to get hit before we take a short or even a long, right? So for that reason, I didn't take this. That's pretty much it. There's nothing really else. There's no other valid positions that happened this morning. If you got Chef today, just know you need that higher time frame area before you take any A plus setups. So maybe tomorrow I can actually do a trade recap and we actually get a position, but we'll see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Follow up the Twitter at Trader Exodus and join us in our Discord to see our game plans for the session.